What's up, bro?
Yeah.
Dave, pleasure. Cool, we're gonna just take pictures and we'll stay out of everybody's way.
No, man, you're okay.
Yeah?
Anybody is inside.
All right, cool. Cool. We're gonna just video and we're gonna do a little drone at the end, but for right now, we're just gonna walk around and take pictures and stuff. Thank you, Mark. So Corey, a lot of the stuff I want you to pay attention to is gonna be all the rafter tails. Gable decorations here are huge. All the soffits and ceilings. PVC is very quickly, and I'm gonna take it another step, PVC, but also, let's just say the word composites. Synthetic materials are quickly taking over the building industry. There's so many different uses for these synthetics and these composites that outperform and outlast. We live in a disposable society, but that should be limited to toys and electronics. It shouldn't be our homes. Homes should be made, they should be legacy projects. They should be something that are built to last and be around forever. And it should be like a historical element. You shouldn't be going into neighborhoods every 15 years and knocking down what's there and starting over. We are armor cladding our homes. We're making them to where they're storm resistant, they're weather resistant, they're mildew resistant, they're bug resistant, because we want something that's just gonna be amazing for a long, long time. And you're gonna look at our portfolio and you're gonna see a company that's been doing it for 20 years and is making some of the most beautiful homes around. And you're gonna look at our homes and look at other homes and you're gonna say, there's something about it. There's something different.